Welcome. In this video I would like to show you how to set Xiaomi Purifier Pro to turn on the specific hour and date. It's a simple operation. Just unlock your phone, find Xiaomi Home app, then scroll down, click there, click on the plus, click there. Then you can set to repeat this operation daily, and then set on time. For example, we can set 7 a.m. Okay, and to 8 a.m. maybe. Okay, select confirm whole operation. Now the air purifier will be working between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. daily. Okay, it's ready. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel.